everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been keeping up with doing this video lately. I just been kind of busy with the whole holidays, but now things are getting back to normal. I finally got motivation. I'm getting like more dead set on focusing on YouTube just because it's a little bit easier for me. It's something that comes natural to me. But I'm here to share with you guys what is going on sale for the Walgreens ad January 6th to January 12th. I'm hoping it's going to be, I barely looked at some of the ad, I just kind of looked at a couple pages. Sometimes I have this all prepared, sometimes I just wing it when I go through these deals because a lot of the stuff's just the same things over and over again. But I'm hoping, you know, with us getting 5 to 6 inserts, you guys, I did make a video of the inserts, you guys want to check that out too. With us getting tons of coupons, you guys, hopefully we can get some really good deals. Walgreens has been slacking like crazy lately. I know a lot of people are even quitting shopping at Walgreens because of their whole point system, which was kind of dumb. But, you know, and stores have been getting super picky on couponers. I mean, I hear it from everybody, but let's just hope it's going to get better, you know. So we're keeping our fingers crossed on that. So the first page is really nothing that's pointing out at me. I mean, they got Arm & Hammer, $1.99. It's an okay deal. There's no coupons for Arm & Hammer, but hey, it's up to you guys. Now, they do have Survey, buy one, get one 50% off, and then we are getting coupons for that. So if you guys are interested in something like that, I rarely ever get Survey. I do want to kind of get some kind of number 7. I want to get some kind of moisturizer for my face, and I heard number 7 is pretty good. Now, we do have coupons, but I don't know if those are expired or not. Usually those coupons last for months, so got that going on. Here we got some food. They do have Welch's 2 for $4, plus it looks like there's $1 off of 2 coupons, so making them $1.50 a piece. So if you guys are interested in something like that, they got some of their snacks for $1.49, which I haven't seen any good coupons for those in a while, so wanted to share with you guys on that. They always have Lindsay Olives 2 for $2 all the time. I've never seen it not 2 for $2, but you guys can always sign up for their email and you get $1 off of 2, so you guys can get them for 50 cents. So if you're really craving some olives, go for it, you know. Now we're in the candy section, so you're going to start seeing candy go on sale for Valentine's Day. Now please keep in mind that your store should still have Christmas candy out, which those should be going out. Those should be still, I mean, some stores are different. Some stores have tons, some stores don't have anything for Christmas, but it's all different. But right here on the front page, or on the page, I see a freebie. So they got trolley gummies, they have Black Forest, and then Now and Later candies. They're going to be $1.99. So you guys will pay $1.99, but then you guys will get a $1.99 registry reward. Now if you guys aren't sure what a registry reward is, it's basically kind of something like this. You can do this deal as many times as you guys want. You can pay with points and get points. I would just recommend not using the same register reward. So if you guys got like $10 worth of points, what you guys can do is you can make 5 different transactions, pay $2 in points in every transaction, but keep those register rewards for something totally different. I usually try to save my register rewards for the following week just because we got that going on. Here they got some drinks, but nothing that's really popping out at me. Sorry, I'm going to have a drink of my root beer. Here are some stock up and save. Now they do have Scott's Cottonelle 2 for $15. We are getting 50% off coupons. Then it says you guys get a $5 register reward when you guys spend 25 bucks. I don't know if that's a pretty good deal. I usually find a better deal when it's like the $5 prices. So, but they do have the $5 ones going on right now. Plus they have the $1.25 coupon from the Walgreens booklet. So that's a better deal. So, and I just did that deal. That's going to be a deal that lasts all month long. Sparkle and Angel Soft. Sparkle is going to be $5, but we do have that $1.25 off coupon we'll be getting. Plus there might be some deals in Savings Star. So keep your fingers crossed for that. Cottonelle and Viva, $4.75, plus there's a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I'm not sure about coupons, but we got that. Here we got All in Snuggle, 2 for $6. We're getting a 2 off of 2 coupon. I didn't see that in the ad, but or in the coupons, but there's that. But if you guys spend $20 or more, you get 5,000 points. So you guys can buy a Persil, And you could buy some All and some Renews-Its. And again, I didn't see the Renews-Its in the thing that I was working on. I was doing a list of coupons that are coming up. School supplies, in case you guys, you know, there's some kids that are going back to school that needed some school supplies, so they got that. A lot of pet stuff and stuff to keep you warm. Nothing really popping out. Now here they got Dime Tap, Robitussin, and Advil. They're $5.99. We're going to be getting $3 off coupons. You guys will also be getting 3,000 points when you guys buy 2. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So you guys will end up getting 2 of them for like $1.50 a piece, which is actually a pretty decent deal. It is where people are just getting sick left and right. So just wanted to share with you guys on that kind of a deal. Now that's a deal, and I can't remember, but that's a deal where you guys can pay with points. I think I said that, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Here they got Halls, 2 for $4.50. We're getting $1 off of 2. There's an online coupon for that. So that Thermacare, $6.29. We're getting $3 off coupons. Plus there is $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making it $2.29. Plus there might be some deals on Ibotta. So definitely check that out if you guys are interested in that. Excedrin, 2 for $20. We're getting $2 off coupons. Plus you guys will get $5 in points. If you guys buy 2. Now there also might be a deal with Ibotta. I know I've seen it in Walmart, but I'm not sure what qualifies for Walgreens. A lot of vitamins, buy one, get one free. A lot of medicines. There's going to be tons of coupons for medicines. Here's kind of just a random aisle of stuff if you guys are interested in something like that. Now you guys can always check this ad out on Wednesdays. It always comes out Wednesdays. You can see people leak it beforehand, but the professional ad is always out on Wednesdays on the Walgreens website. So here's some more random stuff. Now we're getting kind of to the personal care items. So they got Tenya Intimates, 2 for $23. We're getting a 5 off of 2 coupon. Plus you guys will get 5,000 points when you guys spend $20. So it comes out to be, what, 13 bucks if you guys are interested in, or if you guys need something like that. Listerine, you get 5,000 points when you spend $10 or more. Now we do, I don't think we're getting any coupons, but there are coupons that you guys can print. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Baby stuff, spend $25, you get 5,000 points. Bic razors are going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We are getting coupons. Then you guys get 2,000 points when you guys buy 2. So that could be a pretty good deal. Here are some razors. I feel like they totally skipped a page because I don't remember saying chic at all for razor. Or yeah. So it looks like if you guys spend $25 or more, you get 5,000 points. So the razors are $5.99. Looks like there'll be a 4 off coupon. Plus you got the Edge shaving cream, which there is $1 off coupons on coupons.com right now. So you guys, I didn't do this scenario on that, but you guys could do, you know, you could buy 4 razors and then maybe 1 Chic shaving cream. I didn't do my math ahead of time, but we got that going on. Now here we got Colgate, $3.99. We're getting $1 off coupons, making them $2.99 a piece. Then if you guys will buy 2 of them, you get $2 back. So that makes them $1.99. Not the greatest deal, but hey, wanted to share with you guys on that. Now here we got Crest, $3.99. We do have those $1 off coupons that are in the P&G. So it'll make them $2.99, and it's also for mouthwash and toothbrushes. So you guys will end up using 3 of the different coupons. You can buy all 3 different ones if you want. But then you guys will get $6 in register rewards. So that comes out to be just 99 cents a piece. Now toothpaste you really shouldn't pay for, but I say you guys can pay for mouthwash and toothbrushes at 99 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty decent deal. Here we got Garnier Fructis. It's 2 for $7. Now there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So if you take that off, that comes out to be $1 or $5 for 2 of them. But then we're also getting a 3 off of 2, so that makes them $1 a piece, which I absolutely love. I love it. So I'm going to definitely be shopping for the Garnier Fructis. We got Whole Blends, 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2, making them 2 for $4, so that's $2 a piece. So it's hard to say. L'Oreal is 2 for $8. We do have 2 off of 2 coupons in the Walgreens booklet, plus we're getting a 4 off of 2 coupon in the coupons. Sorry, you guys. They're going to make those $1 a piece. I'm super excited, you guys. It's super awesome. It's finally coming back. It's coming back. My excitedness. So we got that. Hair dye, nothing's really popping out for that. Makeup, buy one get one 50% off. Now it says get 10 when you spend $30 or more. So you guys can buy $30 worth of makeup. You can use whatever coupons you guys have. They're also buy one get one 50% off, and then you guys will get $10. Now I don't know what that is. I think it's probably going to just be a random Catalina coupon, but I am not sure. It doesn't say it. It just says get 10 when you spend 30. So we'll see what happens. We'll figure out a scenario for that. But Yardley soap is 69 cents. So, yes. Here we got some batteries, photos, and all that jazz. Nothing really popping up. And now we're on finally, the last page of the Walgreens ad. Here they got the Tide, was it Simply Fresh and Clean, $2.99 with a 50-cent coupon. Not the greatest, but they got all made, buy one get one 50% off, plus we have coupons, and there's also coupons in the Walgreens booklet. So score. Dial and Tone body wash, 2 for $7, coupons making them 2 for $5. Not the greatest deal. Nuts, $2.99, candy 79 cents. So that is about it. So I'm pretty excited to actually shop at Walgreens this week, you guys, or this coming Sunday. So I'm hoping you guys get excited too. I hope to have an exciting haul for once. For once, I'm pretty excited. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.